I hate school. What am I going to do? I know I'm going to pull the fire alarm. But first I need to create a distraction so no one sees me when I pull the fire alarm. Hey, sir. What is it, little girl? Do you know where the music room is? The music room is up there. Okay, I will go up there to go to the music room. Walk, 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 walk. There is the music room. Walk, 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 walk. When she made it to the music room. Finally, I am at the music room. Now, I will play loud music and bang the instruments together to create a distraction. And then when everyone is up here and distracted, I will pull the fire alarm. Hey! Who is playing that groovy music? Oh no! Now is my chance! Huh? I could have sworn somebody was playing some jazzy music on the piano. Harold, is your brain going wild again? No, honey, I swear I heard pretty music. Now that everyone is distracted trying to find out who is playing the pretty music on the piano, I will pull the fire alarm. I need to go downstairs to pull the fire alarm. Walk, 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 walk. Now time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha! I have done it! Oh no no no! Run, 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 run! Hide, 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 hide! Meanwhile, upstairs in the... Meanwhile, in the music room. Oh no, the fire alarm! Fire, fire! Come here, little ones. Little ones, stay with me. Don't worry, Mommy, I've got them. Okay, we need to get everyone out of the school. Yeah, I agree with you. We need to get everyone out of the school. We need to get everyone out of the school. All right, everybody, stay calm. We're going to line up in a row and walk out of the music room in an orderly fashion. Now, I want everyone to stay with me. No wandering off. Okay? Because this is serious. There was a literal fire in the school. Okay? Okay, let's get lined up. Now let's walk out of the music room. When everyone made it down the stairs. Nope, no, not her. Is everyone with me? Yup. Yippee. Yay. Good. Now where is the fire? No. Hey, why aren't you guys, cowering in fear and, getting ready to light up because of the fire? Fire? I don't see any trace of a fire. And I didn't smell smoke, and when you were walking down, and outside of the music room, I didn't see any fire, and there was no burns on the stairs. Someone must have pulled the fire alarm as a prank. We need to figure out who did this prank. Yeah, we do. Let's go check the bathroom. Meanwhile, in the bathroom, I actually pulled it off. Pulling the fire alarm. Really? Why are you in the bathroom? Why are you in the bathroom? When I heard the fire alarm go off, I went into the bathroom to hide. Are you telling the truth? Okay, fine. I felt that school sucks and was so boring, so I pulled the fire alarm. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You were so grounded for 8, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 8, 2, 9, 10, 10 million, thousand, 3 million, 2 million, 5 trillion years. Go to your room now. Why?